My name is Susi. I live in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm 52 years old. My accident happened August 14th, 2014, while water skiing. When I was cutting across at the back of the boat, my fin didn't catch. I pulled a little too hard, and I hit the water face first, 40 miles an hour, and instantly paralyzed and unconscious. They sent me to Royal Columbian Hospital, which is a trauma hospital here in Vancouver. It was a young doctor, and he said, I know you can't move, but you have to give me a verbal okay that we're doing surgery and you will be most likely a quad. And so I had surgery, woke up, and the nurse was talking to me, and he said, did you just move your hand? And I said, no, I don't think so. And he said, I think you just moved your hand. He goes and he gets my surgeon, and the surgeon comes over and he grabs my left hand, and as weak as I was able to squeeze his hand. And he started crying and said, you will be my one miracle in life. You should not be able to do that. I was in with 4 other people that were paralyzed in my room. I'm the only one that left without a wheelchair. It's a hard thing to wrap your head around, right? Having to catheter all the time. At first you're like, what? You're gonna teach me how to self-catheterize? Ooh, how does that work? Ooh, can't touch anything. You know how many things happened? Fell in the toilet, the mirror fell in the toilet, the catheters fell on the floor, it touched my thigh, I have to drop it, start all over again. I was like, oh my God, this is terrible. This is terrible. So then I called Hollister, and they sent me the Infyna Chic to try. I felt taken care of and thought of. When I first opened it, what I noticed the first is that they were so smooth looking. It's nice and pink, small, you can go in your purse. You wouldn't even know what this is. So when I opened it, it's got that sound, that click, and I can do it with one hand. And then when I'd sit it down, it could sit, it doesn't move. And then once I've done everything, I'm ready for it, the funnel isn't slippery. Even if my fingers are still wet, it's got grip. It was like, oh, that's smart. I'm not gonna lose that. It's like so grippy, I will not lose that. I could even actually do it with my left hand, which is my weak side. And I could just pull it out, like with nothing being stuck. And I've got this down to 5 minutes, and I take it everywhere I go. I'm confident enough with it that even if I'm tired, I can still manage it. I was so excited the first time I used it. I thought, I want these all the time. And so I have them all the time. I use them every day.